Hello, this is my homemade hobo stove. It's all in this little bag. Yeah, I've got a peg. Yeah. It's all in this little bag. So that's everything. Or we've got another peg. So this is how it works. You get my fire making kit. Get 2 cotton wool pads with being dipped in wax. Put one of them in. Put it over it. Fill it fast. Do another one. Like that. Wait, let me show you. We fill the cup with water. Put it onto the stove. Let it cook. It usually takes about 2 minutes, 1 minute and a half to make. It's pretty fast, or if you don't want to use pegs, take one more. And put like one of these on top. That's easier. It goes off fast. So I'd rather just use them. Hot. So that's my homemade hobo stove.